Beware of PyPI phishing attacks. Protect your Python packages. Warning: your Python projects could be at risk right now, and most developers have no idea what's lurking in their inbox. But here's where it gets controversial. PyPI maintainers insist the platform itself hasn't been compromised. And this is the part most people miss. Cybercriminals are exploiting our trust, not a vulnerability in the code. PyPI, the Python Package Index, is the central hub where programmers share and install open source libraries using the pip installer. It's the backbone of countless applications, from simple scripts to major enterprise systems. So when you see an email titled PyPI email verification, your first instinct is to click. That familiar subject line and the sender address, no reply at pypi.org, look official at a glance. Spoiler alert, they aren't. Over the past few days, users who have published projects on PyPI and included their email address in the package metadata have received these deceptive notifications. The messages claim you need to confirm your contact details, redirecting you to a cleverly spoofed website designed to harvest your PyPI credentials. The giveaway? The domain name has a sneaky lowercase j instead of a proper I and doesn't point to pypi.org. PyPI admin and safety security engineer Mike Fiedler was quick to reassure the community. This is not a security breach of PyPI itself, but rather a phishing attempt that exploits the trust users have in PyPI. To curb the threat, a prominent warning banner now greets visitors on the PyPI homepage, urging everyone to double-check URLs before entering any login information. Meanwhile, the PyPI team has alerted CDN providers and domain registrars about the fraudulent site, filing trademark and abuse complaints. They're waiting on takedowns to cut off the attacker's hosting and registration resources. But here's where it gets controversial again. Should major open source repositories be doing more proactive scanning and domain monitoring, or does that cross the line into overreach? If you've received the bogus email, delete it immediately and never click the link. If you clicked through and entered your password, act fast. Change your PyPI password right away and review your account's security history for any unusual activity. Think of it as a mini security audit. Better safe than sorry. Some experts argue PyPI should enforce two-factor authentication by default to prevent these kinds of attacks, while others warn that might create friction for legitimate users. Where do you stand? Is the real solution stricter platform policies or simply better user education? Drop your thoughts below and let's debate it. For continuous updates on security threats and phishing campaigns, follow Security Affairs on Twitter @SecurityAffairs, Facebook @facebook.com/secaffairs, and Mastodon @infosec.exchange/security-affairs. You can also connect with Pierluigi Paganini on LinkedIn, linkedin.com/pub/Pierluigi-Paganini, B/742559, or explore more on securityaffairs.co/WordPress. What's your take on balancing security and usability in open source communities?